Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Google account and opening Google Meet. Click New Meeting and choose Start an Instant Meeting or get a meeting link to share. Once done, allow camera and microphone access when prompted so your friends can see and hear you. Make sure to test audio and video using the preview controls. This prevents delays. You're starting the room now, so invitations will be ready to send immediately. Next, invite friends using the meeting link or the Add People option to email invites directly. This ensures everyone has the exact URL. Once participants start arriving, manage access. Admit or deny entry from the lobby, and use host controls to mute participants or remove disruptive users. If you're scheduling, add the link to a Google Calendar event with date, time, and description so reminders are automatic. These steps keep the meeting organized and secure. Finally, run the call. Choose grid or spotlight view to focus on speakers, enable captions for clarity, and apply a background or blur if preferred. If you need a record, start recording and confirm storage and permissions first so you don't lose content. If something goes wrong, try reloading the tab, switch to Chrome or a supported browser, check mic and camera permissions, or restart your device. These quick fixes resolve most issues, so the meeting continues smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.